Hey guys and girls, so real quick video on the condition of our crabapple tree. So right now it is June 29th, so it's not even July yet. And you can see that the tree is not in good shape. It should be a lot fuller than this. We've battled with Apple Scab in the past, and unfortunately this year we had such a wet spring. We were in Europe for 3 weeks, so I didn't have a chance to spray it. If you're going to spray it right before it rains, you may as well just pour it right down the drain because it's not going to do anything. So yeah, I intended on spraying the tree quite a bit, and it just didn't happen. So as you can see, maybe you can't see because I'm not focusing right, this is what they call apple scab. And please excuse all the horns and traffic. We may as well be living on a highway here. So you can see all those dots, those black dots on there, and they're actually a form of a fungus. And again, it's called apple scab. And from what I know, this affects not only crabapple trees but any other flowering apple tree. So this tree actually did bloom in the spring. It actually looked like it was doing pretty good. Sorry, I'm just trying to show you some more. So it actually did bloom. Everything looked great. Again, wanted to spray it. Fortunately, due to a bunch of factors, it just didn't happen. So you can see here too, we just had a rain last night. You can see all the leaves that are down, and I've actually even seen some remnants of what would have been crab apples starting, and they've fallen on the ground. So you can just see this tree is just decimated. And the problem is that along this side street right here, you can't see it right now, but they have a bunch of the purple crabapple trees, and the town won't spray it. Obviously the people aren't going to do anything for it. So this fungus, it lays in wait. It lays in the ground here. It waits for the spring thaw, and then those fungus, whatever you want to call them, molecules or whatever, they just burst out and then they stick to everything. So if people aren't maintaining their property, then this is a real hard disease to stop. So what I've done is you go out, purchase yourself a sprayer if you don't have one. This one holds about 10 liters, and the solution to this problem is Garden Sulphur. Let's see if I can get it on the English side here. So it says right there to add 15 mils or 1 tablespoon for each liter of water and mix thoroughly. So that's what I did. I mixed up eight of these spoons here. It's just a plastic spoon I grabbed, added 8 liters, mixed it up, pumped it up, and I actually went up onto the roof because the tree was originally planted way too close. We weren't the original owners, but the tree was planted way too close, so it allowed me to get up there and spray, you know, 95% of this tree. The rest I did from out here, from the sidewalk, from the driveway. Sprayed the heck out of it. We're not supposed to have rain for the next 3-4 days, although it is clouding over suspiciously now. But yep, added it to the sprayer, mixed it up, sprayed it liberally. I even sprayed the actual trunk, and if you want, you can actually go and you can spray all the ground too. So what I like to do in the fall is, it looks very similar to this with all the dead leaves. I'll actually go and I'll bag this whole area so that there's no remnants sitting around to infect this tree right here. Now with that being said, like I said, that entire street has, you know, probably 30 crabapple trees that the city won't protect or do anything with, so it's really easy to get infected. So I also wanted to just show you, this is a whole bag, and you can see how wet that is, and it's starting to decompose and everything. So that was actually up in the eaves trough here, and it was actually sitting, I don't know if we can see it from here, probably can because the tree's so sparse, that up in that valley right there. It was just laying in there, and that's really bad for your valleys. It can allow water to back up and enter that way. So if you guys and girls out there are having issues with apple scab or something else similar to this, check out Garden Sulphur. Garden Sulphur might be the answer for you. You have to apply it a lot. Probably at this point here that I've got this, I'm not going to save a lot of leaves. I might save some of them, some of the newer ones, some of the newer leaves. They don't look infected, but it's probably not going to save much right now. We're going to lose these leaves probably in the next month. So I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, just leave those comments down below. If you liked the video, again, thumbs up. You didn't like it, thumbs down. Think about hitting that subscribe button. I'm adding videos like this all the time, sometimes sporadically, sometimes multiple times in a week. Until the next time, take her easy.